Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of all the accessories, jewelry pieces that I've ordered from this brand called as Palminas. You can see the package has arrived. Also, I've ordered every single piece खुद के पैसों से and this is not sponsored. You might have figured it out that you see ads of this highly on your social networking sites. Shraddha Kapoor is their ambassador and she has invested into it. We shall see and review every single piece. Also, I'll be making another video where I'll be showing you the conclusion part where if after wash and wear and tear, if they say this stay the same. Also, we will check and see if the brand stays true to what they say and promise. So let's begin the unboxing. Okay, so these are three items in one bubble bag. Okay, guys, so these are the items that we're going to be unboxing and reviewing, and I also wear it and show it to you guys how it looks on me. Let's begin. Let's see what we got in here. Can you see this one? Looks like a tennis bracelet. Let's wear this one. It has an attachment from the. I hope you can see this. Can you see this from the back? Pretty cute, right? Show you this first. This has a magnetic attachment. This is really very pretty. Now we are going to do the other one. Let's see what we have in here. Okay. Oh, you see this one? It's like a double layer. Guys, this is so pretty. Can you see? It is so very delicate. Just something that is very feminine, very sweet and soft to wear on everyday basis. Let's wear this one and see. Guys, we have a problem. I was so much excited over this one, but now it's so badly tangled. I don't know how to segregate it. Okay, guys, can you see this one? I hope you do. This is so pretty. Now let's unbox this one. These are heart-shaped hoops. Let me wear it and show it to you. Okay, a little correction. I thought these were hoops, but these are the dangling ones. Can you see this one? It's a really pretty, no? We have more 6 boxes to unbox. Let's do it real fast. This you can wear it as a bracelet. Okay, see what we have in here. This is something that I'm gonna wear every day. Then we have, okay, very pretty earrings. Again, what do we have next? Okay, I think this is the back. Oh, so we have a red heart in here. There was a packaging error that they did. I'm gonna wear everything and show it to you. Another bracelet. We have all hearts here. You see, this is the best thing to gift your girlfriends, your sisters, your wives. Okay, now we have these butterfly shaped earrings. Guys, so here is the M pendant, and here are the butterfly hoops. Then we have this heart shaped bracelet. Check this out. Gorgeous. We also have these, the other bracelet. Now we'll be doing the very last piece. Now this is a very cute heart, tiny red heart. Okay guys, so now overall if you ask me, I rate this 8 out of 10. Every single item is very pretty, delicate, feminine, soft and a perfect gifting item as well as styling item. Okay guys, so that's it. If you know me from my initial Instagram days, I had done a collab with them back then when they were very new and they just had launched. Also, it's the same founder who owns Karagiri or used to. I have no clue right now. Also, when they didn't have Shraddha as an ambassador and she didn't invest back then, I had a few pieces like a ring and a neck piece, which I happened to have lost. But yes, I'll make another one. Stay tuned for that, where you will be seeing the actual wear and tear review of it. Till then, I hope you guys support me and love me. Other than that, bye bye, take care, see you next time.